This year at Kbis 2019, we are offering 5 new colors to our color palette. 2 of those colors will be the Rovere series, the Bayo and Buckskin. The next color is our Calcutta Light. This brings another option to our designers and our clients of white marble with full body pigmentation in it. This will provide them with an opportunity to finish a 12mm edge with vein in it. Another color that we introduced, more of a commercial look, is our Mountain Black. This will give the opportunity to now do a more industrial look in your kitchen countertop with a dark black look to it. And then the last is our dark Martina in silk and polish finish. This is now going to give the ability to offer black marbles in your bathrooms and kitchens without the concerns of staining or scratching, which provides a much easier service of your kitchen and cleanliness. The other thing we have this year is our partnership with Cesar. Cesar is a high-end luxury cabinet line. They are offered in our booth this year to show the partnership between our brands. And we also have Induction Cooking, which we are offering again this year and providing designers a very streamlined look without interruption in their countertop surface.